Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time to open our paper pumpkin. It's called Cozy Christmas, and it is from this month, October 2025. So we're gonna open it up, and it looks like we're getting some Christmas cards here. So let's see what we've got. We've got some stamps, and I'll show you those in just a bit. We've got an ink spot, pecan pie. And then we've got all the instructions and everything that goes with it. If you're not sure what Paper Pumpkin is, it is a monthly subscription. And you can get one. You can get continuing month after month, 3 months, 6 months, or a year, depending on what you want to get. So let's go ahead. And I'm having trouble opening it this month. But it comes with everything you need, and you also get a block on your first one. So if this is your first time seeing Paper Pumpkin, let me know in the comments. If you're a subscriber already, let me know. I just want to know who's watching and who's listening. And let's see what we've got. We've got some sequins in a nice red there. We've got some glue dots, and we've got some dimensionals. So like I said, they send you everything you need. And this little cardboard piece, which I save all of mine to use for different things like junk journals and different pieces. So here is the stamps that came with it. And this is so nice. They now make these that have stamps so you can keep them all nice and neat there. So now we can see we've got Merry Christmas, Joy. Looks like some snowflakes here, a little star flake, right? It's a little star. This says To the World and Deck the Halls. And then we've got our cards here, which say Joy to the World, Merry Christmas, with that lovely Christmas tree. And then this one with an ornament that says Deck the Halls. It comes with all the instructions. Shows you the pieces that you need. It shows you the little glue dots and where they go, where the dimensionals go, what you'll need here, and then what to do with your cards. So you know exactly. So you'll also see, like right here, you're going to see 3 little sequins, and that's going to be your 3 little sequins, your star, and your Merry Christmas right here. So it shows you exactly what you need. So you get to make these 3 cards. There are 3 of each, and they come with envelopes as well, and they come up with all the ephemera and all kinds of fun stuff. So here's those, the J, the O, and the Y's to do your joys, and some holly. Here we've got pieces of that Christmas tree. Oh, you guys, they have fluff, like, what's it called? It feels like felt, but it's called like, I can't remember the name of it. I want to keep saying stocking, but it's not called stocking. Flocking, that's what it is. It's got flocking on there. So we've got that. We've got a few of those because we're making 3 cards, right? And then we've got the bases. So here's 1, 2, 3 bases for one of the cards. Here is some more for the ornaments, and then the stars. And these also have that flocking with that nice velvety felt feeling. We've got some pieces here. We've got 3 pieces of layers. We've also got another 3. You can't really see too well on that. And then you got these 3 as well, and those have little pieces of the corner cut out right there. And then we've got another set of bases. I'm assuming these are for the Christmas trees. And I love that it's white on the inside. And so it also is nice that they give you the whole page, because you can make your own. with these pieces, you can make so many cards. You can make 9 as is, you can make 9 different cards, and you can make 18 different cards just using all the different little pieces and stuff. So this has a little cutout where you can stamp that. I think it said Merry Christmas. We've got some little labels for the deck the halls. Little labels with that felt flocking on there for the word joy. A couple of those. And 3 more bases. And so like I said, there's going to be all of the pieces to make your card. But remember, there's 3 joy cards and there's 4 pieces here. So you're going to make an extra card just with whatever paper you may have. Or you may decide to cut this in half and use this as a layer of a card and this, and have a white base. So many things. And then we've got all the envelopes, and those are decorated to match as well. And then we've got some tear tape. So they really have us covered. I'll show you. I'm going to grab the little block that comes. It's a Stampin' Up block, and you use it month after month. So in your first paper pumpkin, you'll get a block. And then you keep the block, and everything I showed you here comes with it. So the only thing I ever really use in addition is my Take Your Pick tool, because it helps to pick up all the sequins and glue dots and stuff. And then I use a pair of scissors or snips. And then if I'm making alternatives, I also use like some glue and a paper cutter and some additional paper. So I'm going to be making these, and when you join Paper Pumpkin for 1 month or for a year, anywhere in between, you can do so. Go to beautyandthestamper.com, click on the Paper Pumpkin logo, and that'll give you more information. And then I each month put together live with you guys each month, and once you sign up, I'll give you that information so you can attend that live and make paper pumpkins with me. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day, and if you want more information, please reach out to me. If you like this Cozy Christmas, let me know. And also tell me, do you like subscriptions? Do you like kits? Or do you want to do it all by yourself? So I look forward to hearing from you, and I will talk to you later. Bye!